Replacing the printhead in the HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, 790, 6000, 7000, 7300, 7600 printer series. If your printer has a defective or damaged printhead, you will need to replace the printhead. Follow these steps to replace your printhead. Turn on the printer. Lift the ink access door and then wait until the carriage stops. Press the blue button on the carriage to open the printhead cover. Remove the printhead from the carriage and then set it aside on a protected surface. Caution: to prevent ink from leaking, hold the printhead by its sides and keep the printhead upright at all times. Remove the new printhead from its package. Pull the plug straight up from the top of the printhead. Remove the tape from the printhead contacts using the pull tab. Caution: do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzle. Do not replace the protective tape on the contact. Handling these parts can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Insert the new printhead into its slot until it snaps into place. Close the printhead cover. Close the ink access door. Align the printheads. If your printer has a touchscreen control panel, follow the control panel prompts to print an alignment page, and then follow the instructions on the page to scan it and align the new printheads. If your printer does not have a touchscreen control panel, an A blinks on the control panel and an alignment page prints automatically. Follow the instructions on the page to scan it and align the new printheads. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.